What if I told you there's a routine and a diet that can transform your body in just 30 days? It doesn't matter if you feel tired, out of shape, or even struggle with health issues. Because today I'm going to reveal a step-by-step plan that could revolutionize your energy, boost your metabolism, and even rejuvenate your cells. At the end, I'll challenge you to a 7-day transformation to kickstart your journey today. Are you ready to change your life? Then stay until the end. What you're eating right now might be silently destroying your body from the inside, and you don't even realize it. Foods that seem harmless are quietly inflaming your cells, stealing your energy, and accelerating aging every single day. But don't worry. Today I'll share with you a diet so powerful, it will turn your body into a fat-burning machine, rebuild your muscles, and even rejuvenate your metabolism in just 7 days. Sounds crazy? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. First things first, you need to eliminate the villains from your kitchen: hidden sugars, refined flours, and vegetable oils like soybean and sunflower oil. These ingredients are behind most modern diseases and the chronic fatigue you've been feeling. And here's the secret. Replace those toxic foods with real superfoods: avocado, free-range eggs, wild salmon, extra virgin olive oil, and a rainbow of vegetables. These ingredients will reduce inflammation in your body and fire up your metabolism like never before. Imagine waking up with explosive energy, no bloating, and glowing, healthy skin. All of this is possible if you take the first step and apply this radically transformative diet. Now that you know what's been destroying your body, let me give you a step-by-step diet to turn it into a real health machine. And here's the best part. You won't need to starve or eat bland, boring food. This diet will give you explosive energy and visible results in just a few days. As soon as you wake up, drink 500 milliliters of water with half a squeezed lemon and a pinch of pink salt. This will kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your cells after the overnight fast. For an extra boost, drink unsweetened green tea to supercharge fat burning. For breakfast, forget the sugar-loaded cereals and go for a plate rich in protein and healthy fats. For example, 2 scrambled eggs with spinach and a small avocado. If you have a sweet tooth, add a few walnuts or almonds. This combo will keep you full and prevent insulin spikes. At lunch, prepare a colorful plate with 150 grams of wild salmon drizzled with extra virgin olive oil, paired with broccoli, carrots, and roasted sweet potatoes. The goal is to give your body anti-inflammatory nutrients and clean fuel for the next few hours. In the afternoon, when hunger strikes, choose a nutrient-dense snack to keep your energy stable and avoid cravings. You can have a handful of nuts, like walnuts, almonds, or Brazil nuts, with a low glycemic fruit, like an apple or berries. If you prefer something creamier, try plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened, with a teaspoon of raw honey and some chia seeds. This snack will nourish your brain, stabilize blood sugar levels, and prevent that late afternoon energy crash. For dinner, keep things lighter: a homemade vegetable soup with shredded chicken, or a salad with tuna in olive oil, lettuce, arugula, and pumpkin seeds. Avoid eating too late, so your body can rest and regenerate overnight. If you follow this routine and diet for just 7 days, your body will start sending you amazing transformation signals. You'll wake up with more energy, feel less bloated, and your mind will be much clearer and more focused. It's almost like hitting the reset button on your entire system. In the first 3 days, your body will go through an adaptation phase, and you might feel a slight dip in energy. But that's just your metabolism adjusting and starting to use fat as fuel. From day 4 onwards, your energy will skyrocket. And the most impressive part, this isn't just about external changes. Inside, your cells will start regenerating, chronic inflammation will decrease, and your blood sugar levels will stabilize. You're literally reprogramming your body to live longer and better. After 1 week, you'll notice clearer skin, reduced sugar cravings, and a lightness in your body you haven't felt in years. And if you keep going for 30 days, you can expect radical results like weight loss, muscle definition, and a much more stable mood. This is proof that with small daily steps, your body can become a machine of energy and vitality. But the real question is, do you have the courage to start today and become the best version of yourself? Now you have in your hands a simple yet powerful diet to transform your body into a real health and energy machine. But remember, watching alone won't change anything. The secret is to start today and stay consistent. Every healthy meal is an investment in your future, and your body will reward you with more vitality, focus, and even a rejuvenated appearance. And if you're ready to take the next step in your transformation, don't miss the video popping up on the screen right now. What happens to your body when you stop drinking coffee for 30 days? You'll be shocked by what really happens and why this could be the turning point for your health. Click now, join the Ruvian tribe, and become the strongest, healthiest version of yourself. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button, comment which of these habits you're starting first, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next health secrets.